Before we dive into the wonders of planking, let's take a moment for a quick call to action. If you find our videos helpful and want more fitness insights like these, don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button. You won't miss out on all the incredible content we have in store for you. Now, onto our topic. Ever wondered what would happen to your body if you dedicated just 5 minutes a day to the simple yet powerful exercise of planking? Planking, in essence, is a bodyweight exercise that requires you to hold a challenging position for a set amount of time. It's a seemingly uncomplicated exercise, but don't be fooled by its simplicity. This is not just about lying face down and hoping for the best. It's about engaging your muscles, focusing your mind, and challenging your endurance. Planking is a potent exercise that packs a punch in terms of benefits. It's like holding a magic key that unlocks a treasure trove of health and fitness perks. And the beauty of it? You don't need any fancy equipment or a gym membership. All you need is a little bit of floor space, and you're good to go. Now, why is planking so beneficial? Well, it's a full-body workout that engages multiple muscle groups at once. It fires up your core, strengthens your back, and tones your shoulders, arms, and glutes. The result? A stronger, fitter, and more robust version of you. But it doesn't stop there. Planking is also a fantastic way to improve your balance and stability. It challenges your body to defy gravity, maintain equilibrium, and resist the urge to topple over. This not only makes you physically stronger, but also enhances your athletic performance, making everyday tasks easier and more efficient. As if that wasn't enough, planking also promotes good posture. It aligns your spine, corrects any imbalances, and helps you stand tall and confident. It's like a secret weapon against the drooping shoulders and slouched back that come with hours of sitting at a desk. In short, planking is a powerhouse of an exercise. It's a tool in your fitness arsenal that can transform your body and boost your health in a myriad of ways. And the best part? You can reap all these benefits in just 5 minutes a day. So, are you ready to embrace the power of planking? Are willing to challenge yourself and see what you're truly capable of? Let's dive into the incredible physical transformations that occur when you plank every day. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Planking engages multiple muscle groups, especially your core. It's like giving your abs a superhero workout. This simple exercise can pack a powerful punch when it comes to physical benefits. Let's break it down. Firstly, planking targets your core muscles, those deep abdominal muscles that are crucial for stability. When these muscles are strong, they act like an internal corset, holding everything in place. Not only does this make your midsection look toned and tight, it also enhances your performance in virtually every physical activity. Secondly, planking is a fantastic exercise for improving your posture. By strengthening your core, it helps you maintain a straight and stable spine, which is key to good posture. And good posture isn't only about looking confident and poised, it also helps reduce back pain, improve breathing, and even boost digestion. So say goodbye to slouching. Planking helps improve your posture, making you stand tall and confident. But it's not just about the abs. Planking works wonders for your heart too. When we think of cardiovascular exercise, we often imagine running or cycling. But did you know that planking can give your heart a great workout as well? That's right. This seemingly static exercise can actually get your heart pumping. When you engage multiple muscle groups while planking, your heart works harder to pump blood to these muscles. This increased heart rate helps to enhance your cardiovascular health. Over time, consistent planking can lead to a stronger, healthier heart. Additionally, planking promotes better blood circulation. Good blood circulation is essential for transporting oxygen and nutrients to your muscles and organs. This not only improves your overall health, but it also helps you perform better in your workouts. So, by incorporating planking into your routine, you're doing more than just working on that six-pack. You're giving your heart a boost and promoting better blood flow throughout your body. Planking elevates your heart rate, enhancing cardiovascular health and promoting better blood circulation. Now let's talk about the mental benefits that come with this deceptively simple exercise. Planking is not just about testing your physical endurance, it's about challenging your mental resilience as well. It's all about focusing on your body, your breath, and the ticking clock, which can help clear your mind and reduce stress. In the midst of a busy day, taking out 5 minutes for planking can act as your personal sanctuary, a brief respite from the hustle and bustle. It's a moment of mindfulness, of being present in the now, and that's a powerful stress buster. Moreover, planking triggers the release of endorphins, those feel-good chemicals in your brain. These are your body's natural painkillers and mood elevators. So not only does planking help you develop a rock-solid core, it also leaves you feeling happier, more positive, and energized. Experience an uplift in mood and a boost in energy levels. It's like a daily dose of positivity in just 5 minutes. And for those looking to shed some pounds, planking might just be your secret weapon. This seemingly simple exercise can be a powerful ally in your weight management journey. It's not just about building strength and endurance. Planking can also help you burn calories and tone your body. When you hold your body in the plank position, you're contracting your muscles and forcing them to work hard. This increases your metabolic rate, which in turn burns calories. So, even if you're not bouncing around and breaking a sweat, your body is still doing some serious work. And let's not forget about toning. Planking targets not just your core, but also other hard-to-reach areas like your lower back and hips. With regular planking, you'll start to notice a more defined and toned physique. Planking burns calories, contributing to weight management and toning those hard-to-reach areas. So there you have it, the transformative effects of planking for just 5 minutes every day. Strengthen your core, boost your heart health, and uplift your mood. In just a short span of time, you can experience a multitude of benefits, from toning your muscles and improving your posture to enhancing your heart health and mental well-being. It's like a full-body workout compressed into one simple exercise. And let's not forget, planking can also help with weight management by burning calories more efficiently. Now it's time to put what you've learned into action. Try planking for 5 minutes every day. It's a small commitment with massive payoffs. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about making progress. So don't be discouraged if you can't hold a plank for long at first. Just keep going, and you'll get stronger with each passing day. Challenge yourself to plank daily, and let us know in the comments how it's transforming your life. Until next time, stay strong and stay healthy.